Do you want to move to Europe legally in 2026 in an English-speaking country with one of the strongest economies on the continent? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get an Ireland work permit visa. Let's get started. Ireland is one of the best kept secrets for foreign worker looking to move to Europe. Here is why. First, Ireland is English speaking. You don't need to learn a new language. Second, Ireland has one of the fastest growing economies in Europe. Companies like Google, Meta, Apple, and Microsoft all have their European headquarters in Dublin. Third, Ireland has a strong shortage of workers right now in healthcare, IT, construction, engineering, and many more sectors. And fourth, Ireland is a gateway to the European Union. Once you build your life there, you have access to all of the Europe. So, how do you get there? Through the Ireland Employment Permit. Ireland has two main employment permits for foreign workers. The first is the Critical Skills Employment Permit. This is for highly qualified workers in roles in Ireland's critical skill occupations list. This includes doctors, nurses, engineers, IT professionals, accountants, and many more. To qualify, you generally need a salary of at least €32,000 per year. And for occupations not on the list, the minimum is €64,000. The benefit of this permit is huge. After 2 years, you can apply for any job in Ireland without needing another permit, and your family can join you and work freely from day one. The second is the General Employment Permit. This is for jobs on Ireland's shortage occupation list, but that don't meet the critical skills criteria. The minimum salary is €30,000 per year. The permit is renewed annually. Pro tip: go to the official irishimmigration.ie website and search the shortage occupations list to find which job qualify. I'll put link in the description. Here is how to get your Ireland work permit. Step 1. Find a job offer in Ireland. Search on LinkedIn, Indeed Ireland, irishjob.ie, and jobs.ie. Focus on jobs in healthcare, IT, engineering, or construction. These are the fastest moving sectors right now. Many employers in Ireland are experienced with sponsoring with work permits. Step 2. Your employer applies for the work permit. In Ireland, either you or your employer can apply for work permit online through the Employment Permits Online system called EPOS. But most of the time, your employer will lead this process. You will need to provide these documents: valid passport, signed employment contract, proof of qualifications or your degree, evidence of your work experience if required. Step 3. Wait for permit approval. Processing for the Critical Skills Employment Permit is currently around 3 to 4 weeks. General Employment Permit takes a bit longer, around 8 to 10 weeks. Step 4. Apply for your joint visa. Once the permit is approved, you apply for an Irish employment visa at the Irish embassy in your country. Bring your permit approval, passport, contract, and photos. Travel to Ireland and start your new life. Want a free list of the companies in the Ireland that are currently sponsoring foreign workers with work permits? Drop Ireland in the comments right now. I'll send it to you. Ireland is an incredible country to build a career and a life. English-speaking countries, welcoming, growing fast, and the work permit process is more accessible than most people think. Find your job offer, work with your employer on the permit, and take that step. You can make this happen in 2026. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to move to Europe. I'll see you in the next video.